Think about an item you bought for yourself. It could be clothes, electronics, laptop, phones, anything. It could be big as a house, a car. It made you really happy at the time of purchase. I know that. But after a while, that kind of feeling really disappears. Some of us, when we feel sad, we go out and buy things again in the hope that this will make us happy. At the moment, it probably does. But the research clearly shows that buying experience versus buying things is what really make people happier. Now, the research also shows that increase in your income will certainly improve your well-being, but to the certain point. To the certain point when you have pretty much everything you need, and then the way and how you spend money truly matters. So what do I mean by buying experiences? The professor Ryan Howell recruited 1,200 people to do just research on that and realize that people who buy experience rather than buying things are happier. So what do I mean by buying experiences? Well, experience could be little things such as, taking your friend for lunch, buying the movie ticket and go watch the movie, go to theater. If you have a little more money, go and take a little vacation. So that's the experience. That's something that you will remember for a very, very long time, while buying the things and clothes and so on, kind of, the feeling of happiness disappear after a while. So what you need to do is think about what experience can you buy for others and for yourself that will improve your happiness and your well-being.